This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Place chocks each side of the front wheel. Position the jack under the reinforced section of the door sill flange. Then raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Support the vehicle with an axle stand under the reinforced section of the sill flange. The fuel filter is located to the right of the final drive unit. Attach a length of hose to the drain port at the base of the filter cap, then slacken the drain plug and allow the fuel to drain into a container. When the fuel has finished draining, fully unscrew and remove the drain plug. Using a large spanner or socket, unscrew and remove the filter cap. Pull the filter element down from the housing. Be prepared for fuel spillages. Clean the inside of the filter housing and mop up any spilled fuel. Peel the seal away from the top of the new filter element, then manoeuvre it into place and press it firmly into the filter head. Remove the old sealing ring from the filter cap and locate the new one into the groove. Ensure the cap is clean, then refit to the base of the housing and tighten it securely. Lubricate the drain plug seals with clean fuel, then refit the plug and tighten it securely. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Don't forget to remove the wheel chocks.